Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the blue screen error in Windows. So, let's get started. Step 1. Understand the blue screen error. First of all, don't panic. A blue screen usually happens because of driver issues, system error, or hardware problems. When the blue screen appears, try to note the error message or error code shown on the screen. If your PC restarts automatically, that's okay. Just remember the message if you can. This information helps you understand what's causing the issue. Step 2. Update Windows. Once your computer starts again, click on the Start menu. Open Settings. Go to Windows Update. Click Check for Updates. If there are any pending updates, install all of them and restart your computer. Windows updates often include bug fixes that can resolve blue screen errors. Step 3. Update device drivers. Next, let's check your drivers. Right-click the Start button, select Device Manager. Look carefully for any device with a yellow warning icon. This means the driver is outdated or faulty. Right-click on that device and choose Update Driver, then follow the on-screen instructions. Outdated drivers are one of the most common causes of blue screen errors. Step 4. Uninstall recently installed apps. If the blue screen started after installing a new app or update, it might be the cause. To remove it, go to Settings. Click Apps. Open Installed Apps. Find the recently installed app. Click Uninstall. After uninstalling, restart your computer and check if the problem is fixed. If the blue screen still appears, restart your PC in safe mode. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Windows troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.